Hey guys, I hope you have an amazing day and welcome back to my channel. If you are new to this channel, we are having here trading sessions together. I help you here to boost your trading confidence by sharing some tips and tricks how I trade, and of course so you can make your profit bigger. All the essential information about our trading today I will tell you just before we are going to find the first situation in the market. But guys, don't forget to put a big thumbs up to this video, also subscribe to this channel because I'm going to upload more and more useful videos for you. And yeah guys, let's get started. We are going to trade today on the charts of currency pairs using auxiliary tool of technical analysis. And today we are going to trade with Stochastic Indicator, and I'm going to show you today guys how to use this indicator and how to earn money with it. So I'm sure it's going to be interesting for you guys. In the lower left corner, select the tab with indicators. We choose Stochastic Oscillator and we see the standard settings. We only change the period with indicators 70 and 30. So first of all, we replace 70 with 80, and then we change the number 30 to 20. These periods indicate an overbought and oversold zone. We leave the color of the sliding ones and slightly increasing their thickness. We also increase the thickness of the lines and change the blue color to green. Okay guys, the setup is complete. Good job. Let's slightly increase the size of the indicator. This is what the indicator looks like. The tool consists of two horizontal lines of green and red color with a mark of 20 and 80 after we changed the settings. Our task is to wait for both moving averages to go beyond one of these lines. If the red line is crossed, we open a deal down. If it's green, then we go up. In the future, I will show you how this happens, so don't worry. We will trade on a 15 seconds time frame. As a rule, we will open transactions for 1 minute, since this is a good time for this indicator. Today we have $35 on my deposit. This is our starting point. In the future, it should turn up to $3,500. And guys, I'm super excited, so let's get started. I hope this video will be super interesting for you, and let's get started guys, let's go. Long-term decline guys, the sliding ones also went beyond the green line, while the moving average is at the bottom. Let's open a deal up. And we expect the chart to start forming green candlesticks after a measured price drop. The indicator also gives us a clear signal to open a deal up. So guys, let's wait for the result. The moving averages returned to the limits and the chart showed growth. After a long-term price decline, the chart forms a series of green candles again. And guys, it easily closes our deal with the profit. I think it's amazing. Okay, we caught the chart on a reversal, and the indicator helped us to find a good entry point, a good start of our trading session today, guys. We return to the chart after a while, guys. The moving averages is above the red line. The chart unfolded in a series of green candles. So let's open a deal. The indicator gave a signal to enter a short deal. We expect, guys, the price to decrease according to the trend after a prolonged reversal. So guys, let's wait for the result. We successfully entered into the transaction at the maximum price during the reversal, and despite the correction, guys, we were able to make a profit. Let's continue, guys. A measured price reduction by a series of red candles. The moving averages have been moving below the green line for a long time, and we expect a price reversal. After such a large decline, we see small signs of a reversal. It's a great time to open a deal up. The signals of indicator tells us to open a deal up. The signal doesn't contradict the situation on the chart. So guys, let's wait for the result. The chart showed minimal volatility. The price moved approximately on the same indicators, but by the end of the deal, a large green candle was formed. And the sliding ones returned to the limits, and the chart begins to form green candles. A minute was just enough, guys, to catch the first green candle in the reversal, and our deal closed with the profit, guys. So let's continue. 3 large red candles forced the sliding ones to cross the green line. We will open a deal up. The decline occurred impulsively, and we have every reason, guys, to assume that the price will roll back soon. And the indicator also gave us a clear signal for the price to go up. So guys, let's wait for the result. After our entry point, the chart actively began to form green candlesticks. The price partially recovered its performance after a measured decline, and we successfully closed the deal with the profit, guys. We see that with the impulse exit of the sliding ones beyond the line, trading backwards for a minute is a great strategy. So guys, let's continue. Another impulse price decrease that led to the crossing of the green line on the oscillator. The moving averages have been moving below the line for a long time. So guys, I think we'll open a deal up here. On the small green candle, we can expect the completion of the reversal, further price growth according to the trend. So let's see. The schedule was adjusted for most of the transaction, thus the price dropped significantly, adjusted and began to grow. We recorded a profit on the first large green candle. Now the chart is already fully showing growth. So guys, we see that the strategy based on the oscillator signals shows itself perfectly. A series of large green candles forced the sliding ones to cross the red line. The price is currently at the correction stage, so let's open a deal, guys. We will go down. We expect that after such a large increase, we will see a price pullback and at least a partial decrease. The indicator agrees with our analysis, and it serves as an additional reason for the transaction. So let's wait for the result. The chart formed a large green candle, which scared us a bit, but immediately after the impulse price decline that we predicted began, in a minute the price recovered its performance to a greater extent, and even a larger green candle from our entry point didn't prevent us from closing the deal with profit. So guys, I think it's a great job. Another measured price increase. We see that the price has been steadily increasing for a long time. The moving averages have been above the red line for some time. On this large green candle, I suggest to open a deal down. And the oscillator signals about decline. We successfully entered into the deal at the maximum price during the reversal. So guys, let's see where it goes. Immediately after our entry point on a large green candle, the chart began to form a full-fledged decline, guys. By the end of our deal, the price was significantly lower and we easily closed the deal with the profit. So we once again caught the sliding ones on the return to the limits, and we made a successful deal with the price reversal, guys. The oscillator has become an excellent assistant for us when choosing an entry point. So guys, let's continue. Once again, we see a prolonged decline in the price, which is about to lead to the crossing of the sliding green lines. It's a great time to open a deal up. The moving ones crossed the line quite impulsively, but didn't go far beyond it. And guys, we can quite expect that within a minute the price will complete such an impulsive decline and show us growth. Great guys, after our entry point, the chart began to form a large series of green candles. The moving ones returned to the limits and we caught the chart at a price reversal and made a profit. So guys, we earned $3,711 and I think this is the end of our trading session. That's it for today guys, I hope you enjoyed this video and you could learn something new, and also especially that you figured out what is Stochastic Oscillator Indicator and how to work with it. Well, actually you can turn it on your own and find similar situations on the market which we had today in my trading session. And so try and trade yourself and you will easily increase your profit and give you more help to your trading experience. Guys, don't forget that I have a closed community where I'm sharing trading signals for free. If you want to get into this closed community, super easy guys, text me code word signal on my Telegram and I will add you to this group. Also, don't forget to subscribe to this channel because your like, your subscription and your comment help to grow my channel bigger and bigger, and it motivates me to do more and more videos for you guys. I wish you to have a successful trading, increase your profit, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye bye!